Osoro, you should be very ashamed. I thought you are a lawyer. Your arguments are below and below and below as a basic nursery school class.
Niongee nisiongee? Niongee nisiongee?
A person to respond to some of it is really very perfunctory statement made by fairly inexperienced politicians.
Justin Muturi, you have 3 options. Ya kwanza, resign. Ya pili, apologize to ignore your maneno. Ya tatu, we impeach you.
I would just say bring it on. At my age, I'm not the kind of person to respond to some of it is really very perfunctory statement made by fairly inexperienced politicians. I think they are not worthy my response. So if anybody thinks that I don't know what I'm doing, then they are up for a run.
Niongee nisiongee? Niongee nisiongee?
In fact, Osoro, you should be very ashamed. I thought you are a lawyer. Your arguments are below and below and below as a basic nursery school class. So you cannot tell us that. We are the majority. Mr. Speaker, what I've said about the Speaker's stance, keep the Speaker out of these matters. Because Honorable Junet Mohammed is our majority leader. Honorable Millie Odhiambo is our majority whip. If you feel numbers have changed, bring that here on the table, we discuss it. That is a different thing.
Niongee nisiongee? Niongee nisiongee?
I'll tell my colleagues, the Honorable Millie Odhiambo, who is saying that she has added in her CV the position of the chief whip of the majority. She'll only do that, Honorable Speaker, in her dreams. It will not work. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Niongee nisiongee? Niongee nisiongee?
I want to just indicate that I have therefore, as the majority party whip of Azimio, today handed over to your office a copy of that decision of the High Court with a letter that we are giving you according to the standing orders, our majority leader as Honorable Junet Mohammed and Honorable Robert Mbui. Mr. Speaker, following the standing orders, Honorable Junet will thereafter orders, but a majority whip. Majority. Mr. Speaker, I also stand under standing order 90 and had actually consulted you about this. And Mr. Speaker, if you look at the...
Mimi hawakunikosea. Wale walikosewa ni wenye kunichagua na ni watu hawa. Kwa hivyo wewe ukitaka amani uombe msamaha kwa nani? Sio mimi sina shida. Mimi si mtu ya kuchaguliwa. Sasa ukiniondoa na nichaguliwa, si umekosea wale walinichagua?